the 2016 Audi A6. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive provides for safe passage, regardless of road or weather conditions. Audi prioritized comfort and style by including power trunk closing assist, a blind spot monitoring system, and remote keyless entry. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10 GB hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Audi also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.